morning. So we're going to Inja's anniversary. I think it's their 30th anniversary. So we have a yearly event. So for today, their theme is, I think, heroes or something like that. So Donut will be wearing this superhero Superman with a cape. So let's help him get ready with Donut. He likes to wear as much as possible every day. Lagi namin siyang sinusuotan ng damit para masanay siya. Pero minsan, pag mainit, like if it's summer, hindi muna. Pero now, he knows that we're going somewhere. So, fitting that Donut will wear a costume. Ah, Donut, look at you. Superman. Hello. See you. We're on our way to Bridgetown, Blue Leaf. Mag-park lang kami dito sa Opus Mall. Labas, tapos kaliwa tayo. Si ate. Okay lang. Ako na buksan. Si Donut. We're here na sa event. Picture muna tayo dyan, oh. Kasama? Picture muna tayo. Ay, saan ka ba? Ay! I want to... Okay. Hoy! Dalawa na yung mga doggies to. Hello! Nag-aaway to eh. Hello po. Hello, hello.
Kasi kung kung naalala kita.
Dito na?
Sir, kuha ka ng ano. Ilan kayo?
Tatlo.
Ano, bigyan ko pala. May bag po kayo.
Ito, lagay mo lang dito. Ay, thank you ah.
Sir!
Sa ilalim lang.
Sir, saan? Wala mo, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Ang dami naman. Okay na yan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ay, nakawala tayo. Dito kami, oh. Kasi, nawawala tayo, bebe. Dapat kasi sinusundan niya tayo. Ayan, oh. Susundan niya tayo. Susundan niya tayo. Yeah. Nagkano siya?
Manalo tayo doon. Ayaw, sobrang tagal mo. Bago ka makakain. Ito yung ganito, yung nasa sunod. Ay. Nakita mo? Nakita mo? Hello! Donuts! Nag-enjoy si Donuts! Ikot mo na ako. Ayan guys. Sorry, ngayon lang ako ito yung mga play area. Kanina naman namin food yan. Pero ubos na. Pero I think nakuha ko naman kanina yung shot. This is the main stage with
We're gonna start with this in a few minutes. Alright?
ito yung parang main area for the nood naman. Mga shows. Ano na bang food? Ang hirap. Sushi. Thank you. Ito naman yung mga
To the front. To the front.
Diyos.
So you can if you can see the bubbles up close. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, kids, let's welcome Baba Mandela! All right, thank you very much.
Maganda na area for that. Laruan, mga games din. Ay, golf.
Now, kids, are you ready? Yeah!
Oh, mas marami pala dito food. Ay! Ay. Super fast. Hot dog. What's this? A face paint.
Sabihin kasi hindi ako nagpakita sa kanila eh.
Hi! What's in here? Alak. Oo nga. Mobile bar. May nachos din. Wala pang ano. Ano yung ano nyo? Ano lang? Wala nang ground beef.
Diane, congratulations! Your Eagles family loves you so much. They have just given you food sample one Samsung Galaxy Tab S10.
Diane is one of our trusted. Congrats, Diane!
Okay, George, please stay here.
Dito kami nag-park sa Opus Mall. Happy anniversary, Indra. 30th anniversary. Bye. Donut. 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 Bye-bye na, bye-bye.